6 Green Laundry Bleach Alternatives. Hydrogen peroxide is a mild bleaching agent that can be used for more than summer blonde highlights. It can be used to remove stains or to whiten and brighten clothes and has less impact on the environment than chlorine bleach. When exposed to light, hydrogen peroxide eventually breaks down to water and oxygen and becomes a biodegradable oxygen-based bleach. Use the same 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide for laundry that is commonly found in the drugstore first aid aisle. Adding just 1/2 cup baking soda to your usual laundry detergent will boost the detergent's cleaning power and leave clothes whiter and brighter. Baking soda is safe to use in both standard and high-efficiency washers. Just add the baking soda directly to the washer drum before you add the dirty laundry. Do not put the baking soda in an automatic dispenser because it may not dissolve completely. An oxygen-based bleach is more gentle on the environment and your clothes than chlorine bleach but is an extremely effective whitening agent and stain remover. Oxygen bleach can be used on all washable fabrics except silk, wool, and anything with leather trim. While chlorine bleach will permanently remove the color from most dyed fabrics, oxygen bleach can be safely used on colored clothes to brighten the fabric and remove stains. To help whiten clothes and linens, pre-soak the white items in a solution of 1 part white distilled vinegar and 6 parts warm water. Mix the solution in a large plastic bucket or tub, a sink, or the washer drum. Completely submerge the white clothes and swish through the vinegar solution to be sure that all surfaces are wet. Lemon juice is acidic just like vinegar and provides the same natural bleaching action. Add 1 cup of lemon juice to the washer when washing white clothes to help keep them bright. White cotton socks can become heavily stained and dingy. To whiten, add 1 lemon cut into slices to a large pot of boiling water. Add the socks, turn off the heat, and allow them to soak overnight before washing. Using the ultraviolet rays of the sun to whiten your clothes is the ideal green laundry solution. Once you've installed a clothesline, it's free. You're saving money and natural resources by not using a clothes dryer, and the carbon footprint is nearly zero. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.